Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to How To. Or if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss our content. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking for: how to find your girlfriend. So if you're ready to learn some tips and tricks, let's get started. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of finding your girlfriend, it's essential to start with self-improvement. Becoming the best version of yourself not only makes you more attractive but also prepares you for a healthy relationship. Here are some key areas to focus on. Physical fitness. Regular exercise and a healthy diet can boost your confidence and overall well-being. Personal interests. Pursue hobbies and interests that genuinely excite you to meet like-minded individuals. Self-confidence. Work on your self-esteem and self-assurance. Confidence is attractive. Building a broader social circle increases your chances of meeting potential partners. Here's how. Join clubs or groups. Participate in activities or clubs that align with your interests. Networking. Attend events or conferences related to your field or passions. Online dating. Consider using reputable dating apps or websites to connect with people who share your interests. All right, you've improved yourself, expanded your social circle, and now it's time to approach and date potential girlfriends. Be genuine. Be yourself when approaching someone. Authenticity goes a long way. Effective communication. Practice active listening and ask open-ended questions to get to know them better. Respect boundaries. Always respect personal boundaries and consent. Planning dates. Plan creative and enjoyable dates to create lasting memories. Remember, finding the right girlfriend might take time. Don't get discouraged. Rejection is normal. Not everyone you meet will be a perfect match, and that's okay. Learn from experiences. Each date or interaction is a learning experience, helping you refine your preferences. Stay positive. Maintain a positive attitude and keep an open mind. So there you have it, folks. Finding your girlfriend is a journey that begins with self-improvement, expanding your social circle, and approaching dating with respect and authenticity. Keep in mind that patience and perseverance are your allies in this quest. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or want more dating advice, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy dating. Thank you for tuning into How To. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.